We know that there are more ways than one to make money. But did you know that the method that we're about to share with you is actually super easy and you've actually been doing this all of your life? That's right, streaming videos is what we're going to be doing to make $450 by the hour. We know it sounds impossible, but didn't we already make a ton of videos before this? What's new this time is that what we're going to be showing you is a new website that we've never actually talked about before that's going to pay you to stream videos and pay you real good money for it too. It's available worldwide, so you don't need to worry about not being able to participate because of where you're from, since again, it is available worldwide. It is also 100% free, so don't even think about spending any of your money. And lastly, it's super easy, and we know that you guys are just going to fall in love with it. As always, we are going to be walking you through today's whole method so you won't get lost or confused or anything like that. We will also be dropping some bonus tips and tricks all throughout today's video. So if you really don't want to miss that, then really stick around. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our website for today is called zoombucks.com, and it is on this website where you can make over $400 by watching videos and by doing other stuff as well. That's right, there's more ways than one to earn using this website, which is great because the more ways to earn, the more money you can make. The ways to earn using this website would be completing surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. Let's go through this website just so that we have more background on it. So how it works is, number one is that there are engagements wanted, which means advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Number two is that they recruit members, so Zoombucks will find members who are willing to get paid to do different actions or tasks, and those members will obviously be us. And number three is that we, the members, are going to be doing online actions, so we're going to be taking surveys, completing offers, and watching videos, and in return, we get paid with cash and gift cards. Isn't that so fun? If you scroll down, you're going to see all of the rewards you can choose from when it's time to cash out. So you have PlayStation, Xbox, iTunes, Steam, Google Play, Pokemon, Amazon, League, Netflix, Walmart, PayPal, and a whole lot more, of course. And it's great because whatever you want, they probably have it. And these gift cards, they aren't cheap gift cards. These gift cards go from $100 to $500 and even more. So you're definitely being compensated well no matter what you choose. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now we've mentioned that there are a lot of ways to earn money using this website, right? But what we're gonna be highly focusing on would be watching videos, because that's what our video for today is all about. Now it's time we get into the sign up process, because you won't be able to get started on anything if you don't have an account to begin with. So if you look over here, you should fill up your email address and then your password twice and then hit on sign up. You can also sign up using Facebook or Google, it's up to you. Now once you've filled those up and you've hit sign up, you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to continue to fill up even more boxes with your information. So we have your gender, your birthday, your first and your last name, and then your address line 1 and 2, your city, state, zip code, and finally country. And once that is all complete, double check if all information is correct and concise. And then once you've checked and made sure, you can now hit on complete sign up. Now you're in your account, but before you can even continue doing anything else, you are going to need to verify your email address so that your account will be activated. And to do so, just click on opening up your email and then check your inbox and look for an email just like this one. And then click on the confirm email button. Then you're gonna see this, and you're just gonna want to click on log into Zoombox right here, and then that's gonna automatically take you to your now activated and verified Zoombox account, where you can proceed to watch videos and make some good money. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So if you look over to the left side of your screen, you're going to see that under Earn Points, you have 4 options. So that's Home, which we're at right now, then there's Surveys, Watch, and Offers. Now, since we are focusing on watching videos today, you're going to go ahead and click on Watch, and that should take you to here. You're then going to see this, and as you can see, there are 2 partner websites that you can go to start watching videos and earning money. There's Hideout TV, and the offer details on here would be to earn 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. And then for Lootably, earn 5 points with every 3 videos watched with ads. Credits unlimited times, and minimum amount to redeem from loot is 10 points. So let's select Hideout TV, and as you can see, there are a ton of videos on here for you that you can watch and literally earn real money from. Now keep in mind that you must watch the entire video because you do have to watch it for the ads, and honestly, it's such an easy thing to do, so it wouldn't hurt to just watch it. If you don't want to be bothered at all, just let the video play and mute it and go about your day. So literally it's nothing and you're gonna get paid to do nothing. Then there's Lootably, and again, you're just gonna select whatever video you want. And for Lootably, you can see how much points you get for a certain video. So go ahead and just choose a video with like a lot of points, because points equal to money. So make sure you're wise about that. So now that you know how to watch videos and earn, another thing you can do on here, aside from the surveys and the offers, is actually referring friends or random people and earning 500 points and more per referral that you make, plus having a portion of their earnings for life. Isn't that great? Now we want you to take a look at this leaderboard and how much all of these people are earning just by watching videos. This is something nice to look forward to, so that you'll really want to try this method out. So now you know everything about it, which means it's time you try it and make money as easy as 1, 2, 3, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.